Hello, this is Mr. Miller. Welcome to video number 71. Today we're going to talk about more perimeter problems. We're going to discuss how to do the perimeter of shapes that are part circles and part not. Here we go.
These are perimeter problems that have a couple of steps to them. So we want to find the perimeter of this shape here. We see there's kind of a rectangle and a semicircle put on top of it. Remember the perimeter is the distance around the outside, so we can forget about this side right here that cuts through the middle. We need to add up 7, 16, another 7, the side is 7 too, and we need to add to that half the circumference of the circle. So we have half of a circle here. So to find this distance, we use the circumference formula, compute the circumference, and divide it by 2. So here we go. So circumference, by the way, remember, is you get by multiplying 2 times pi times the radius. Z equals 2 pi r. So to get half of this, we're going to do 1/2 times 2 pi times the radius. The entire length is 16, so the radius is 8. Okay, so that's just that half circle part. So let's add up what we have. We have 7 plus 16 plus 7 plus this crazy term from the semicircle, 1/2, 2 pi times 8. All right, 7 plus 16 plus 7 is 30. Here we have 4 numbers being multiplied together, 1/2, 2, pi, and 8. We can multiply the half, the 2, and the 8, and 1/2 times 2 is 1, times 8 is 8, and we still have the pi, so it's 8 times pi. This is actually an exact answer for this problem. And you can find a decimal if you wanted, but let's keep it exact for this video and this assignment. So the exact perimeter is 30 plus 8 pi. Okay, let's try this one. This one's a little simpler because it only has 2 pieces. Remember that this straight side here is not part of the circumference. Okay, imagine that this circle was a complete circle. The circumference of the circle doesn't include this 15. So we have to add these 2 pieces. We have the 15 from the straight side plus, and here we go with our semicircle. 15 is the diameter, so the radius would be 7.5. Okay, so for the semicircle, the perimeter would be 1/2 times 2 pi r. 2 times pi times 7.5. Okay, let's keep it exact. So perimeter would be 15. 1/2 times 2 is 1. And we're left with pi times 7.5. So it's just plus 7.5 pi. No problem. So once we get over writing expression for a semicircle, this actually gets pretty easy and it simplifies a lot. That's an exact answer, 15 plus 7.5 pi. All right, we're half done. Let's try this one. This is an equilateral triangle here. And only one side is labeled, but we know they're all the same. So this side is 10, this side is 10. And remember that we don't need this 10, that's not part of the perimeter. We do need to realize, though, that the radius of the semicircle is 5. Okay, let's do it. We have the 2 sides, straight sides, 10 plus 10, and we have half the circumference of a circle. So 1/2, 2 pi times the radius, which is 5. Okay, so 10 plus 10, that's 20. And 1/2 times 2 is 1, times 5 is 5. So this is going to be plus 5 pi. Done. Okay, last example. Here we go. We have 3 sides of a square. The 4th side's kind of curved, another semicircle. All right, so to visualize this a little better, we could imagine connecting these 2 points up here. That'd be a diameter of the circle. And since that length is 6, same as the bottom, diameter or the radius must be 3. Okay, so let's add up the perimeter. We got 3 sides that are 6 units long. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. Then got to throw in an expression for the semicircle. So 1/2, 2 pi times the radius. Okay, 3 sixths is 18 plus 1/2 times 2 is 1 times 3 is 3. So it's 18 plus 3 pi. Finished. Okay, time to do 2 of these. All right, here's your journal assignment. So please copy the figures in your journal, make a sketch of them, and make sure you label all the sides that are given. We have a 6, 8, 10 right triangle here. So find the perimeter. And when you do so, remember that this 10, that's not part of the perimeter, okay? We have 6, 8, and you got to add half of a circumference here. The figure on the right, we have 3 sides here, 10, 28, 10 that are part of the perimeter, and 2 semicircles. Okay, you're going to have to find the radius of the semicircle and write expressions for them. Okay, good luck. See you in class.